Close your eyes for a moment and imagine, not just a machine of metal and wires, but a vision carefully woven from the dreams of a nation. This is Astilia. A name that no longer belongs only to engineering. It beats like a living heart in the chest of a people proud of who they are. When this fighter jet stands under the glowing lights of a showroom, every curve, every contour, every surface tells a story. The story of determination, of thought, of courage. You stand before it, and you feel it. This is more than steel and fire. This is a guardian of tomorrow, a protector of the skies, a promise of safety. The design of Astilia, every line, every angle, is not merely beauty. It is aerodynamics sculpted to perfection, swift, yet precise. Aggressive, yet controlled. This balance is what turns survival into victory, and danger into dominance. Its nose, its wings, the hidden technologies buried within, every element was born for one sacred purpose, to protect the homeland. When the name of the nation is spoken, pride surges through the veins. This is not just technology, it is identity. Astilia's sensor suites, eyes sharper than the hawk, watching beyond the horizon, piercing the veil of night as if it were day. Its radar, its electronic sight, are silent guardians that read the intent of enemies before the first strike can even be imagined. And then, its engine. Not a roar of chaos, but a symphony of controlled power. Force that obeys wisdom. Speed that serves strategy. This is the difference between noise and dominance. This is the very heart that turns the open sky into a shield for the people. Today, as we see it presented inside this VIP showroom, it is not simply an exhibition. It is a pledge, an oath, a declaration. Every detail of the protocol, the soft light, the glass walls, the hushed atmosphere, all tell us, this is not just equipment, this is trust, this is destiny. Here, there are no flags waving wildly, no speeches drowning in noise. Here, silence itself carries respect. And in that silence, there is a vow: we will protect our people. Astilia is not just a fighter jet. It is the dream of youth, the labor of engineers, the fruit of sacrifice. When it rises into the air, it does not simply break the sound barrier, it lifts the will of a nation higher than the clouds. We do not speak here only of technical numbers. We speak of how those numbers transform into protection. This range, this speed, this avionics, all merge into a seamless network of defense. Together, they weave a shield across the skies, one that no enemy can ignore. When fear whispers of weakness, this aircraft answers with strength. When peace is spoken, its very presence is proof. We are ready, we are aware, we are secure. And in that readiness, the people find their peace of mind. Australia's defence institutions have carved Astilia into a creation where modernity, responsibility, and national interest are bound together in one golden thread. This is not reckless fire. This is measured superiority, earned through wisdom and discipline. Friend, if you ever thought that national pride only lives in the past, come stand in this showroom. Look at how the future is born, not in words, not in books, but in the shine of steel, the hum of engines, and the promise of safety. Machines like these, when built to protect, are the noblest of all inventions. For they hold no vanity, no arrogance, only duty. And as we come to the end, let one question remain in your heart: have we done everything to protect our people? The presence of Astilia itself answers, yes. We have, we are, and we will, at every cost, in every hour, under every sky. If you have walked with us until now, then join us in this mission. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, share it with those who believe in strength with responsibility. For when a nation believes in its defense, that nation remains free. Soft, powerful closing tone. Astilia, power, wisdom, and the pride of a nation.